Exposing the power and performance with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's dive into what makes the iPhone 14 Pro Max a true technological marvel. First up, its design. Sleek, robust, and with a standout new color palette that catches the eye. But it's not just about looks. This phone is built to perform. Under the hood, it's powered by the A16 Bionic chip, making it a beast for multitasking and high-end gaming. Say goodbye to lag and hello to ultra-smooth experiences. Now let's talk camera. A game-changer with Pro-RAW and cinematic modes that turn every shot into a masterpiece. Whether it's a sunset or a fast-paced sports event, you capture it all in stunning detail. Battery life? More like battery marathon. The iPhone 14 Pro Max goes beyond a day with ease, even with heavy use. And for those who value security, the enhanced Face ID and iOS security features keep your data locked down tight. So, is the iPhone 14 Pro Max worth the hype? For power, performance, and unparalleled polish, it's a resounding yes.